How to log into your H&R Block account. Welcome back to the channel, and let's jump right into this video. To log into your H&R Block account, first and foremost launch a preferred browser in your device. Search for hrblock.com. You'll be redirected to the official webpage of H&R Block. To sign in or log in, at the top you will see Sign in to my block. In here, enter a username, email, or mobile number to continue. If not, select the option of Create Account and create a brand new account for yourself. Now, in order to create a new account, you will have to enter your first name, last name, password, province or territory, security questions, and more. You may also have to enter your card details for this. Once you entered all of the credentials to create a new account or to sign in, you'll be able to log in to your H&R Block account. If you have forgotten any of the credentials, you can visit the help and support of H&R Block account. Recently, H&R has also launched its brand new application. It is called My Block, that is available for both iOS and Android devices. You can install it via your Play Store or App Store and log into your H&R Block account through your My Block application using your login credential. And that is it for this video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.